Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the essentials. Pick one niche you can own, register a domain, and get WordPress live. Do this within 48 hours. Once done, sign up to 3 relevant affiliate programs with reliable payouts and grab your affiliate links. Create a simple content plan, 5 cornerstone pages and 10 review posts. Do not overextend. Focus on making the first pieces publish-ready. This process gets you from 0 to a working affiliate funnel fast, so you can iterate. Now you build the middle. Produce content that directly addresses buyer intent, detailed reviews, head-to-head comparisons, and practical how-to guides that solve problems. Make sure each article targets one keyword, uses clear headings, and includes internal links to cornerstone pages. Insert call-to-action buttons and your affiliate links with tracking ID. Once content is live, set up basic analytics and run a low-budget ad test or social share to get initial traffic. Finish by optimizing and scaling what works. Review analytics weekly and focus on pages with the best revenue per visitor. Once you identify winners, increase promotion via paid ads, email sequences, or repurposed video content. Make incremental updates to improve CTR and conversions, test headlines, CTA copy, and link placements. If performance falls, first check that affiliate links and tracking are intact, site speed is good, and disclosures are visible, then audit competitor moves. This closes the loop and lets you grow predictably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.